Hi, today I'm making a headband, a wavy puffy headband that I found on Instagram, but it was from a random person in the back of the photo, so I have no idea of the brand. That's also why the image looks so bad, because I had to zoom in. And so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to use this headband, a plastic one. This is an old one I had. Make sure it's not that thin, because it's gonna be a little heavy and a little big, so it has to hold that. I'm gonna make it with black velvet and this stuffing material. I don't know the name, but you probably seen it before. Also, if you think it's too funky, or if you're an adult and don't want to wear it, you like it, you can make it for a child, a little kid that you know, a family member, and yeah, I think they're gonna look really cute. First, I'm gonna draw the shape of the headband, but I am going to open it in the size of my head, and that's how I'm going to draw it in the paper. I'm drawing the shape, and I just realized it looked like a flower. I hadn't noticed, but it definitely looks like a flower. So because it's black, I think it's not going to be that obvious, but I finished it. Looks like this. I added 3/8 of an inch around here and an inch on the inside, because it's going to fold around the headband. Now I cut 2 pieces of the black velvet. And now to cut this, I made another pattern. It's the same as this one, but without the these stuff that I added. It's just the inside. I'm gonna cut like 3 of this, and I have all 3 together, and now I'm going to stuff this piece. I think I'm gonna make another one so it's really puffy, because it's not that puffy. Now remember the inch I added here. I'm going to sew all around to close it. And now finally, using one of this, I'm going to glue the velvet piece using this inch of fabric that I have here to hug the headband and glue it. And this is my final result. I like it, but I think I should have made this lower. I didn't make a test for this one, I always do, but this should have been lower. Yeah, closer to my ears. So I'll probably give this one to someone that has a smaller head than mine, and I'm going to make myself another one, and it's gonna be chubbier, and this is gonna be longer. But I like it. It kind of looks like the original, so I'm happy with that. Yeah.